How to delete your Monday account. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the profile option that is located down below and click on that. After that, you're going to the admins option. As you go to the admins option, there are all different kinds of options over here. Then you are going to go on the billings option. As you go to the billings option, now over here there is down there an option of contact support and close my account. As I click on close my account, then there are different kinds of options for me: keep my account or close my account. As soon as I hit close my account will be deleted and I can access it back in only 7 days, and after 7 days it will be permanently deleted. This is how I can delete my monday.com account. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.